Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your face brighter using this AI feature in CapCut. So first, you just need to add a video or maybe a photo with a person or face on it, and then after that just click on the video and swipe until you find the retouch option, and then click on the face. And in here you only need to use the smooth and also brighten, but you can also use other if you want. So I'm going to smooth first, so I'm going to set only around to 20 or 25, and then for the brighten you can also adjust it from 25 until 30. I think it's enough. I'm going to go with 30, and after that you can just click on the check icon. So now the result will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.